Hi everyone, we are Final Year Project Group 9. Our final year project is IoT-enabled water measurement system for commercial grade use. Typically, a water meter reader must visit house to house to get water meter readings. This is caused bottleneck in billing water consumption during the COVID pandemic. Apart from that, there are human errors in the process since it is entirely manual. Moreover, we have only one reading per month, which is not sufficient for detailed analysis. So that, in this project, we develop an efficient water measurement system to overcome these issues. Here are the objectives of our project. Here is a quick overview of our project. Main MCU calculates the water consumption based on the readings of ultrasonic transducers. The device supports both NB-IoT and GSM technologies for communication. SD card is used as external backup storage while NFC acts as a debug interface. Moreover, we develop a novel algorithm to optimize power consumption of the device using historical water meter readings data. Here is our final PCB of the product after engineering validation phase. This is a brief overview of our firmware. The firmware manages water measuring, communication, and fault tolerance of the device. It is developed in C language using Code Composer Studio by Texas Instruments. We use ultrasonic transducers to measure water consumption. The delay between upstream and downstream pulses is used to calculate the water flow rate. We use NB-IoT as main communication method and GSM as an alternative method to communicate. Also, we use NFC as a backup communication method. This is the pipeline of our data flow. We implement a UDP server where we send our raw readings. Then the readings are uploaded to Google Firebase platform for further analysis. We then retrieve this data for local computer to perform analysis. This step can be implemented in the cloud in future stages. This is a snapshot from our online dashboard. We implement over-the-air update feature for update the firmware remotely. This will enable us to implement new features and fix bugs during the lifetime of the device. We adjust the frequency of taking measurements based on historical meter readings data. Here is a brief comparison of our device with existing devices. Clearly, our device can perform competitively with these products in the market. We test our product and compare its reading with mechanical water meter. As you can see, our meter reader provides accurate data than mechanical water meters. This is the CDF of error of our water meter and mechanical water meter. Here is the result for time series forecasting for existing dataset of water consumption. As you can see, we can learn the water consumption pattern at a significant accuracy level. Let's look at a quick demonstration of our device. We tested our device with laboratory equipment to verify the performance.